Maybe the FBI doesn't understand this part about Joe Biden's laptop smashed through your fucking head. Is that I only sold illusion of access. See what happens when they try to rob me? I just become their fucking loser excuses. I was selling illusion of access, that's all. I'm allowed to do that. You have an illusion of access to it. Alright? And your version, when they went into your version, it was literally hell. Absolute hell was inside there. Go back and listen to the laptop from hell. Fucking gaffs. They're like a bunch of puppets. Ventriloquists that try to throw their voice. Sad. They do that more than they respect your vote in politics. Yeah, they do. They've been doing that for a while. They don't even consider you alive anymore. I watch. They go right down the feed. They go right down the feed. Whatever you're saying in the feed as a response to Donald Trump, they don't give a shit. It's almost a trick you can do. Look at his hair. Like tic-tac-toe. You remember tic-tac-toe? We're playing tic-tac-toe here. Oh, and other guys are playing 4D chess. So then you have to lose your whole entire fucking mind for one person to get a word in. And here we are. Smashed like an air fryer right through the head. That's what people tried to give me, an air fryer. Before they said, oh, he's aborting me. This is an abortion. We need the help from women. No more abortions allowed. That's going to be funny when they say no more abortions allowed, and I'm still aborting you in that same similar way. When it's like, I'm not going to argue you. I'm going to abort you, and then you're going to get a haircut like this. You're going to get one of these haircuts on your head. And it's just going to be a brain-eating eldritch succubus. The same thing you have that makes you want to do your dick so much. Or some other thought. Or other compulsion. That's what they want you to live under. That's just sucking your head like a gas pump. But whatever. Laptops from hell. I sold illusion of access. I just sold illusion of access to the bank. How come everyone gets to protect the Bidens and we got to do that stupid game again? Who's protecting the Biden? Are you protecting the Biden family, sir? We're all having to protect the fucking Biden family. I guess that's the big joke, because you got to protect the other one that likes big fucking jokes up their asshole. For it's the democracy. It's democracy. We don't have to answer your questions. Fuck you. Fuck you. I smashed that laptop through your head. I'm going to keep smashing all the technologies through your head. Even the supercomputers, those are slow as shit. The ground is faster than a supercomputer, else they could never sit on the ground. So the ground was there before the supercomputer. Now which one's faster? Also, which one's more reliable?